Hello, we're at the Hanover Turtle Creek in Dallas, Texas. Hanover Turtle Creek in Dallas, Texas. This is their beautiful B4 model, and we're gonna go see it. Really excited. We're gonna do probably 2 walkthroughs. So let's start with going through here. This is very pretty. It's got a little study that's here. This study is super nice, beautiful study. It does close off too, so the doors close off. It's got a gorgeous utility room here too. I love the very, very nice utility room. And I mean, look at this. Look at this just gorgeous bar area that's super pretty. Look at the kitchen. The kitchen, oh man, just delightful colors. I like the really light wood. And I really like this backsplash. It's just very elegant, looks pretty. And then it's got that white quartz countertop too. Just gorgeous feel in here. This looks very, very pretty. I've also got a beautiful floor-to-ceiling window that's here, and this looks amazing. And then you've got a balcony here too, so we'll check that out in just a minute. Isn't this pretty? It's just a perfect way to introduce you to the uptown Turtle Creek lifestyle here in Dallas, Texas. Hey, if you're watching this and you want to get some more information, what I want to say is go ahead and text me at the number below. I'm Grant, that's my direct number, and I'll respond literally almost 24/7, always responding to my delightful friends and clients. So send me a text on the number below. The benefit of working with me is I'll get you the same or better deals than the Hanover Turtle Creek, but I will also be able to respond 24/7. The Hanover is limited in when they can respond, but I'm not limited. I can help you get that information anytime. I can also help you compare options in the uptown area, and it's always 100% free. So reach out. I can't wait to hear from you. You'll get the best deals and the best service.